Okay, a good day to Dr. Encik Rahim. My name is Ting. My metric number is 2010900973. This is my open-ended lab 2. I will using the three-phase induction motor. In this lab, I will choosing the squirrel cage motor. The objective of this lab is to able to compose and simulate a three-phase induction motor, two-pole, four-pole, and six-pole square root cage induction motor by using piscine simulation tools. The next one is also to analysis and observe the squirrel cage induction motor characteristic under several parameter change. Okay, now this one is my simulation. Okay, now this one is the three-phase voltage source. I set it as 240 watt and the frequency I set to 60 hertz. And this one is my squirrel cage induction machine using two pole. And the last one is the resistance. I will set as 50, and the simulation control is the time step is 0.00005, and the total time I will set it as 10 seconds. So when I will run our simulation, the measurement, the parameter I guess is showing as here. So the first one will we get the current of three phase, speed, torque, power, the power factor, reactive power, and the three phase the and others parameter. So next, okay, this one is my simulation result and the discussion following. Okay, in this table, I'll do it as 0.1 until 50 for the resistor load. You can see from this difference. Okay, this one is the two pole between the line current, speed, torque, reactive power, and active power for two pole squirrel cage induction motor with different type of load resistance for two pole. And the next one is the squirrel cage induction motor for four pole, exactly the same as the two pole and the six pole that I have been do as the two pole and four pole. And then this one also for finding the line current, speed, torque, reactive power, and reactive power for six pole square root cage induction motor with different type of load resistance. Okay, the next one we will more focus to the torque vs speed characteristic. Okay, in the squirrel cage induction motor, we are construct with 2, 4, and 6. Okay, three of them operate on Michel Faraday electromagnetic induction principle, which two-pole induction rotor has two electromagnetics, and four-pole have four electromagnetic. Okay, respectively with six pole has the six electromagnetic. Okay, so the slope of the curved line depends on the resistance of the rotor circuit, which is the higher the rotor circuit resistance, the sharper the slope of the curve. So you can see the sharpen is six pole. A point of instability known as breakdown torque region, which at the maximum point here, so the torque start to decrease. The next one we will compare with speed with reactive power characteristic. So when the motor speed increase, the reactive power consumption drop an extremely low nominal value. Motor's reactive power is important due to it will affect the voltage stability of a power system. The next one is the line current reacts the speed characteristic. As you see that the increase in the line current, the decrease in the motor speed. So thus the reactive motion between rotor and stator magnetic field in the machine has increased due to the decrease of the motor speed here. Okay, the conclusion of this open and the lab for the square root cage road induction motor by comparing two pole motor has less work output as compared the motor with a higher number pole such as four pole or six pole. The advantage of two-pole motor are more efficiency and has double speed as compared to four-pole square root cage induction motor. Okay, thank you. This is my open and the lab 2.